Hi guys, Joe with Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel. Today we're going to try out Turtle Wax's Exterior 1 Waterless Wash and Wax. Now this is a hydrophobic material, not for super heavy dirt. You're not going to be rinsing mud off with this, but the design of this is a one-step wash. Say you get off of a road trip, you got a lot of bugs on the front of your car, or you get your show car that's, you just got to a show. Can you trust this stuff with a couple clean microfibers and this? Give it, quick after dirt shine without scratching the paint. We're gonna find out right now on this 2019 Silverado. Now, if you can see the paint, there's nothing super dirty about this, but we do have water spots, hardened, and some dirt on it. So, following the instructions, this is. You're gonna clean one section at a time. We're just gonna see if we can get these water spots and stuff out. So we're gonna spray a nice amount on. And wipe away. Kind of buff off the excess. Again, use the dry side. You can see the dirt there. No dirt there, and with the sun in the way, you can see that we didn't micro scratch the paint at all. It just kind of did what it said it's going to do, wipe it clean. So now we're going to do the rest of the fender, one section at a time. Alright, you can see it did a great job cleaning up the fender. The dirty front bumper, we got some bugs on it. We're going to spray the wash and wax with a waterless wash system. Waterless wash and wax, so it is leaving a wax behind. So we're going to scrub it up. See how well it does on the painted bumper. Now this is not going to take bugs off or anything, so it even says on the bottle, but this can shine up your bumper in a parking lot when you're about to meet all your buddies or do a car show or anything. Buff it off, and there we go. So, didn't get it ultra clean, we still have dirt specks on here, but this needs a real thorough wash, so I'm not too upset with the results, but it does leave like a waxy texture behind. You know, it leaves it protected. So it does exactly what it says it's gonna do. So Turtle Wax's Exterior 1 wash and wax waterless washing system does do, if you follow the directions, what it says it does. It obviously cleaned the fender and the bumper of the Silverado to a satisfactory condition for what this is. It's not a quick detailer. It literally washed and left a wax behind. So nice thoroughbred shine, and so no micro scratching here, which the black would show immediately. So Turtle Wax Exterior 1, it works, especially you car show guys. You're gonna love it. You know, get a little bit, get some microfibers to put in your car. You have it, and that way when you get to your car show after you've already probably washed and waxed like a billion times like I have, you know, get something to wipe off any little road grime or anything you got right in the bottom of the wheels or the door sills or something, just that way it's show car ready. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like the review of this Turtle Wax Exterior 1 car wash, and we'll be using a lot more in the channel. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.